Other than the general form and the vertex form, the quadratic function can be written in intercept form as well. F of x is equal to a bracket x minus p bracket x minus q, where a, p, and q are constant. We can relate all these three forms of quadratic function. If we perform expansion on the vertex form and intercept form, we will obtain the general form. If we perform factorization or formula on the general form, we will obtain intercept form. Whereas if we perform completing the square on general form, we will obtain the vertex form. This table shows the comparison between the three forms of quadratic function. For the general form, the function is ax squared plus bx plus c. The x value for the turning point is negative b over 2a, and by substituting negative b over 2a into the function f, we'll obtain the y value for the turning point. The x value for the turning point is our symmetrical line, which is x is equal to negative b over 2a. For the vertex form, the function is written as a bracket x minus h squared plus k. The turning point is hk, and the symmetrical line is x is equal to h. For intercept form, the function f is written as a bracket x minus p bracket x minus q, where the x value for the turning point is p plus q over 2, and the y value is the result of function of p plus q over 2. The symmetrical line is the x value of our turning point, p plus q over 2. By comparing these three forms of quadratic function, we can conclude that the symmetrical line depends on the x value of the turning point. And one advantage for the vertex form is we can obtain the maximum or minimum value directly from the function without performing any calculation. Let's look at example 2.4.3. The diagram below shows the graph of quadratic function f of x is equal to a bracket x plus h squared plus k, where a, h, and k are constants. Given negative 2, 16 is the maximum point of the graph. We have the information f of x is equal to a x plus h squared plus k, and also maximum point is equal to negative 2, 16. From the diagram, we are given the y-intercept is equal to 12. Number 1. State the values of a, h, and k. From the maximum point, we know that the negative 2 is our symmetrical line. And 16 is our maximum value. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare x plus 2 with x plus h. We get h is equal to 2. As for the value of k, k is the maximum value. Hence, k is equal to 16. C equal to 12 also implies that we have a point 0, 12. By substituting this point, the values of h and k into the function f, we will obtain our a. 12 is equal to a bracket 0 plus 2 square plus 16. We simplify the equation. We get a bracket 4 plus 16, which is 4a plus 16. Rearrange the equation. 4a is equal to 12 minus 16. A is equal to negative 4 divided by 4, which is negative 1. We obtain a negative value for our A. It indicates that our curve is a crying curve. Now we have obtained our full function f. Fx is equal to negative x plus 2 square plus 16. And this function is written in vertex form. Number 2. Hence, express the function in general form fx is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and intercept form fx is equal to a bracket x minus b bracket x minus q. Let's do it one by one. To obtain the general form from vertex form, we need to expand the function. Negative x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 16. Expand the bracket. Negative x squared minus 4x minus 4 plus 16. Simplify the function. Fx is equal to negative x squared minus 4x plus 12. So we have obtained our function in general form. To get the intercept form, we need to factorize the function from the general form. Fx is equal to negative x squared minus 4x plus 12. First, we factorize out the negative 1, x squared plus 4x minus 12. 12 is equal to 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. We need to get a positive 4x. Hence, we will choose this combination. Negative x squared is x and x. To get the 4, we need a 2 and a 6. And positive 4, we will need positive 6x minus 2x. And also, don't forget to check negative and positive, we will get a negative. Then we simplify the function, we will get negative x minus 2, x plus 6.